Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today we're making crispy cheddar chicken. Alright, I'm starting out here at 4 large chicken breasts I cut into 3 big chunks each. I have a bowl here with some milk in it. I have roughly 3/4 of a pound of sharp cheddar cheese I put in a food processor and ground up. And 2 sleeves of Ritz crackers I put in a food processor and grated up. Now I'm going to start by putting some salt and pepper in my cracker crumbles. And I'm going to go for about a half a teaspoon each. And I'm going to put about a teaspoon of dried parsley in there. For this here, you don't want to use fresh because that's going to moisten up your breadcrumbs. Alright, let me grab a spoon. And I'm going to stir this around to blend in the spices. There we have a little bit of cracker that I think ground up. Okay, now I'm going to take my chicken, I'm going to dip it in the milk. And I have a large baking pan here sprayed with some cooking oil. I'm going to take my chicken and put it down into the cheese, pressing the cheese onto it. You want to smush that down in there, get it good and coated. And when you're done here, if there's any cheese left, you can't save it and eat it. You have to throw it out because it has a chicken salmonella in there. Okay, I'm going to take this and I'm going to dip it in the breading. And you don't have to worry about getting your cheese all over because as this bakes, that cheese will melt. Now I'm going to go ahead and get all my chicken coated. After I coat it, I'm going to cover it with foil and put it in a 400-degree oven for 35 minutes. Okay, my 35 minutes was up. I took the chicken out, uncovered it, and I put it back in the oven for another 15 minutes so it gets nice and crispy. Now we're going to make a sauce for it. Here in a saucepan I have 2 tablespoons of butter. I'm going to add in a 10.5 ounce can of cream of chicken soup. And I melted my butter down in there to get a head start on this. And this is just a simple sauce for over the chicken. That I just add much more flavor to it. Alright, that's it. I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of sour cream. Okay. Give that a stir to blend everything together. That's going to make a nice buttery chicken sauce for over that. I'm going to allow this to come up to a gentle simmer. And then when it's heated through, it's ready to serve. And guys, I've wiped my stove off so many times today. I'm ready to take a baseball bat, so I'm tired of wiping it off. And as this heats up, this soup will blend in here better with everything else. Let me turn my heat up a little bit. And I'm going to add a little bit of fresh parsley. If you don't have fresh, you can use dry parsley. That's no problem. So I'm going to allow this to come up to a simmer. When my chicken's done, we'll pull it out and we'll go ahead and fix up the plate and see what we got. I also went ahead and made some chicken stuffing and some corn to go with this. Let me get in here and try this chicken. Get some of that sauce. Chicken's moist, tender, cheesy and crispy, and that sauce, that has a nice buttery chicken flavor to it. Guys, that was really easy and delicious. No trouble at all. Alright, there you have it, crispy cheddar chicken. Thanks for watching and supporting me. And remember, love what you eat and eat what you love.